Hey guys, welcome back to WHM. This is Noah, the founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to guide you how you can start a complete white label or private label web hosting business. Now in today's video, we are going to see how you can update your WHMCS manually. So let's get started. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting at just, if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at HOYIST.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at HOYIST.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts, okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at HOYIST.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they are charging, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at HOYIST.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at HOYIST any other reseller hosting product, but at HOYIST we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as a paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting is separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to 20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for HOYIST.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing system, your domain name will be free. Okay, so I would suggest you to look our check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know, but right now we have free WhatsApp support customer support available. Okay, So let's get started with our video's topic. Now I am on the product detail package. I have purchased the Reseller Sim business plan as the first video of this course. So let's log in into our cPanel. The first step is we have to, download the file, the updated file. Let's suppose for this video, like in the last video, we see how you can install WHMCS, and in the last video, we installed our old version, which is 8.10.1. Okay. So let's see how you can install the new version, which is 8.12. I think so. Right now, 8.12 is the updated version. Now let's see how you can install it. The first is go to the file manager section. Now guys, when you are doing any kind of updates to your company or anything you are doing technically on your web hosting, make sure to take a backup of your hosting. If you go for our web hosting, we are offering on-demand backup with Jet Backup. Make sure to take this backup, because in case you made any change and it wouldn't properly set up with your service, your website is gonna die or end up, and you will be crying on at the end of the hard work or you're doing everything. Basically, I would like to suggest you to go ahead and take a backup of your hosting service before doing anything. Okay, so let's see how you can, and make sure to take your database backup also, because in many cases when you are updating your WHMCS, your database will be updated and you would not be able to get your WHMCS back in case if your database is ruined. Okay, so make sure to take a backup. Now let's see how you can update it. Now for this video, we have installed WHMCS on the primary domain name. So let's see how you can, install WHMCS. Let's get into our directory where we have installed. For the primary directory, for a primary domain name directory, with the primary directory is public. Okay. So let's see how you can update it. The first thing you have to do is to upload the file, updated file. Like the old version is 8.10.1. Okay. Now let's see how you can update it. You have to provide here that the most new version of the file here. Okay, so let's see how you can do it. You just upload the file here in the zip format. Okay, now guys, the file is uploaded finally on the file manager. Let's see how you can update it. Go back to the file manager and reload it. And if you scroll down, here is our file. The only thing you need to do is just extract this file. I will extract this file here, and it will take a second. Now basically our new installation, no, it's in this folder actually. Move and then to WHMCS. Okay. Now guys, all the files are moved to the primary folder. If you check here, the all files are now moved. Just click and delete this folder, because there is again no use of this. So now what we have to do, basically what is it has done, it has move the all files to the primary folder and override the files or updated the file. Those actually should be updated. Okay, now let's see how you can update it. Just click on reload option, and here we will see install and upgrade. Here, basically we will see it is install and upgrade. Basically right now we are on the upgrade of section. Just click on I agree. Now the upgrade your installation, just click on ready to begin, and then here you can see the upgrade process may require additional information on the base of size of your database and everything. Now let's continue. I have a backup. Now I already told you to take a backup of your installation already. So I have a backup and start. Now basically our WHMCS is now completely updated. If you go to admin login, now again I told you that we have to remove the install folder, reload it, and refresh and uninstall, delete the install folder, and if you will again load it, and here you can see our WHMCS is finally updated. And if we go here, we can see the schedule action for sport ticket. These are the new updates. Pairing for sport tickets. Okay, admin invites, market connect, SSL promotion. Okay, right now these are the promotions of new WHMCS. Don't show until the next update. Okay, here you can see our WHMCS is now updated. This is how you can update your WHMCS manually. Thank you so much for watching. If you like anything about this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to follow us, and I will be trying to upload these more content again in the future. Thank you so much for watching.